For just one hacksaw frame, there's a range of hacksaw blades to cope with different materials and situations. The hacksaw frame can be adjusted to take different blade lengths. The blade is placed in the frame and tightened to the correct tension with this wing nut. The blade must be of the right pitch. That's the number of teeth in an inch of blade. A blade with many teeth per inch has a fine pitch. One with few teeth per inch has a coarse pitch. The saw blade cuts on the forward stroke only. The teeth gather the metal being removed. They can only get rid of it when they come clear of the cut. If a blade cutting through a thick section of metal has too many teeth, in other words, the pitch is too fine, they'll clog up and stop cutting. On the other hand, when cutting a piece of sheet metal, the blade shouldn't be too coarse or the saw teeth will be stripped. With the saw flat across the section being cut, at least 3 teeth should touch the metal at that point. After the job is done, the tension on the blade should be loosened to prevent the frame from distorting over time. Cutting large holes in panel steel or thin sheet metal is done by a hole saw. The drill in the center locates the saw accurately and leads it into the surface. Repetitive cutting through thick sections of material can be hard work unless you have an abrasive cut-off saw. These are rated in different sizes, usually from about 250 millimeters to 500 millimeters. That refers to the largest diameter cutting wheel that should be fitted to them. This is a powerful tool and it demands every precaution. Wear protective clothing with nothing hanging out or loose, especially long hair. Cover long hair with a snood cap. And of course, wear safety glasses or a full face shield. The guard on the saw should be properly in place and the power cord well away from the cutting wheel. There are enough sparks flying when the saw is working without cutting through the power cord as well. The range of those sparks should be limited by a safety screen around the job.